When I started this tile installation, I had my laser up here on this wall and set it up to have a straight line on that grout line. Now, this is a closet in the middle of this big room. Tile installation goes there, it goes here, and now I have to also connect this line here with that line. We got the laser set up right here, and I made sure it is aligned here. This piece is not installed, it's just sitting here. Everything else is installed. But you can see how I lined up the laser with the grout line, the future grout line right there on the edge. And then I can start installing from there and then make sure I follow the laser line. Now it's very hard to see the laser line on this orange stuff, but it's here, see it? It's right here. So when I work, it's easy to follow it. Check it out, that's the grout line, and that's where the laser line is. See the green? Right there. And I can easily see it anywhere here. So then when I install these pieces of tile, it's easy to make sure everything goes okay. And you see the laser line up there on the wall, on the ceiling here. And even in daylight, you can see there, and on the wall, matching that grout line. So yeah, that's a great laser. It's a 3-plane laser. So I'm using just this one now. I have that one, and there's another one there for that plane.